Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to show you something here. This is a very common disease that we see in Bermuda grass, and it's called I sprayed my weeds with Roundup. That's exactly what happened right here. These weeds were all sprayed with Roundup, and now all the areas that were sprayed are completely dead. So don't do this. You definitely want to use a selective herbicide instead of Roundup. Roundup's going to kill everything that it touches. Use a selective herbicide. There are some weeds that you can't kill with selective herbicides, which may have been what was giving this yard problems. This is why they sprayed the Roundup. You know, Dallas grass, blue stem, Johnson grass, all those. You know, Roundup will kill those, and your selective herbicides won't. So maybe that's what happened here. But a better method or a better thing to do is either one, dig those plants up, dig those weeds up, and replace it. You know, put sod down in its place. Or if you're going to use Roundup, wait until the fall. Wait until later in the year. Yeah, you got to put up with the weeds throughout the course of the year. They're ugly and you don't want to see them, but just put up with them and spray them in the fall, because then pretty soon the grass will be going dormant and you won't be able to see all these nasty spots everywhere. But the weeds will die, and then the next year that grass should be able to fill in a lot easier, because you know those big patches of weeds will be dead. So just a little tip for you. Stay away from this if you can. Don't put Roundup on your weeds, because your yard will look like this. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know.